My day always starts with the feeding and then after that magpapam kasi si Terence natutulog na 7 to 8 hours at night. And then after that, magpe-prepare ako ng baon ni Daddy Will, pagkain ni Dos, tapos saka pa lang ako makakapag-me time. Drink coffee, tapos magigising na si Dos. And then after that, si Terence naman. Come on, go.
I want any eyes. I have to go to beach.
Eat your food now, Dos. Come on. You're almost done. Grab a bite.
Kiwi.
No, kiwi is for lunch and dinner. Go eat your food now. Usually, bitin yung me time ko. So, pag day off talaga ni Daddy Will, I let him handle the kids. Ba't ka nasilip, ha? Hi, Kuya! Hi, Kuya! Where's Baby Terrence? Baby Terrence is over there. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna switch the camera to Baby Terrence. Can you see him? Can you see where Kuya does? Hi, say hi.
Hi.
First grocery namin na magkakasamang apat. Si Daddy Will ay nandoon sa Asian. Ang next namin is Acme. Tapos magka-Costco kami. Pero sa Costco lang kami bababa kasi hassle na baba ang dalawang bata. Isa pang time bomb doon. Pagka lahat ng store bababaan namin. So, sa Costco lang. Doon na rin kami magme-merienda later. Since required dito sa US na lagi naka-car seat yung bata, we can't make him stop crying. Bothered na si Daddy Will. Hindi katulad sa atin, pwede mong kandungin sa unahan. Sa lambek tayo dumaan. Lambek. Adi! Hi! Galing kami sa OB, tapos wala yung OB.
Stay on the side, Dos.
Dumiretso na kami ng park. May dala kaming KFC. Bigay ni Wawa. Yung nag-enjoy ang maliit na bata.
Okay, back on the road.
Paring isa si Didi Manny. Tuduman.
I'm supposed to bus.
Scare him, baby. He run away. He run away, baby. The bird ran away. Come back here. It's good. It's okay now. High five, Daddy. High five. Okay, hold Daddy's hand again. They're so cute.
Lagi siyang ganyan kasi hindi niya makalimutan yung diaper na Terence na pinapatapon ko. Full of pupo kasi.
It smells so good.
Terence, why are you quiet?
Hi, Baby Terence!
Wake up, Daddy, wake up. Let's go. Let's go in the living room.
Si Dosiap, the copycat.
I better climb up a spout. Down, and watch the spider out. Out came the sun, and shine all the way. And the spider climb up a spout. Like I got Super Mario. I get the we sounds got the whole Super Mario.
Oh.
Wipe my hands, mommy.
Okay, ask Daddy. Give Daddy some wipes. That way you can rub your hands. You can clean your hands. pumasok kami ngayon sa park. Si Daddy Will, kanina naglalaro si doon sa park. Tapos, sama na ba si Terence din. Naka-stroller siya kaso umiyak na kasi gugutom na. So, pumasok namin sa car. Tapos, papadudo. Yan. Si Daddy Will at si Kuya Dos, ayan nag-scooter. Ayan o.
You blowing steady because when it goes, you gotta
Doing up, doing mommy.
The peaceful village.
I have you back.
Ini-introduce na namin siya sa mga school things. Lagi niyang hinihiling to sa amin yung mag-picnic.
You like it? He likes it.
Yeah? You like it? Are you
Right.
pushing your baby brother?
Yes.
Yes, you're such a nice kuya.
We're
At the park.
walking to the
We're
ocean.
walking at the park.
We're walking at the park. We're going to the river.
Where's the baby brother? You're holding your baby brother?
Yes.
You love him? I love you both.
Baby Terence? Yes. We love him.
You need help?
Yes.
Lagyan naman tayo ngayon ng cream. Kasi, meron siyang baby acne. Meron nga rin siyang figured ka pa ata. Hindi ko matanggal. I don't know how to remove it. Help me. We gotta put it.
I will.
Where's the whale?
There.
Really?
Walk. I walk, baby. I walk.
Part ng Hudson River itong place na to. Pero akala niya lang beach.
This is my slipper.
You wanna go back to the car?
This is my slipper. Hey, okay, mommy.
Are you okay, baby? You wanna go in the gym? You can't. You're too big. Sit down, sit down. You might hit your brother. Sit down, sit down, sit
I
down.
jump like a monkey.
Yeah, sit down. Little monkey, sit down.
Hi. But I'm the one.
Lead
Go,
the way
go,
with
go.
us.
Lead the way.
Lead the way, come on.
Go.
You wanna help me?
Come on, go on.
Pogi naman baby ito. Ang dalawang anak. He likes the sunlight.
Yeah. How about you?
Hindi nga timing ng magandang sunset.
That's it.
Oo, parang no? Parang magpapakita ng magandang paglubog na yun. First na yan. Ano ba? Before 8?
7, before 8.
Before 8, ano? Basta hindi pa sobrang lamig, pwede pa natin hintayin.
Little miracles come true. Every day with you is new. Wake up stretching. Hi.
Sit down, sit down. Show yourself.
Hi. Hi.
I love you, Mom and Daddy.
I am Mom, Daddy.
I love you, baby Tara.
I love you, Terence.
I love myself.
Myself.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes, babe. Yeah?
Mom! Mom! See up there! Up there!
Yeah.
Mom, see up there!
I see you up there on daddy's back.
But there is so it's cold already.
Yeah.
But the sunset will be
Oh.
there's a
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Where's daddy?
I'm there.
There. Okay, mom's gonna go there, okay?
Mommy, come on. Go, let me go. Come on.
Ang ganda ng shot nyo kanina, daddy.
Eh.
Ganda mo.
Wow, there's a bear. Mommy, there's a bear.
A bear? Is it a bear or a mouse? I think it's a mouse.
A bear.
A bear?
I think it's a mouse.
Yeah, I think it's a mouse.
It's a pig. I think it's a pig.
Come here.
Come here.
I think it's a pig.
Is it? I think it's a cat.
Family time, day off.
This is a cat.
Wish, blow, blow, blow. Harder. Harder. Blow, blow, blow. Harder. Look at daddy. Look at daddy. Daddy make a wish. See? Blow harder. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Baby Das, do you want to smell daddy's kilikili?
I don't this mouth. That's going to go away. Mom? 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 Mom?
Yes?
Upside down. Upside down.
What do you mean?
Upside down.
Dito kami ngayon sa Bayon Park. Kuya, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Right here.
Hi.
Almost summer na. Ganda dito, daming puno. Hey, Kuya Das.
Going down.
Yeah, it's downhill, baby. Hi.
One down.
You know, si Hoodie Dos. Ayo, Hoodie Dos?
No.
Ang galing tumakbo, no? Yeah, pigilan. Excited na. Excited na mag-park. Ayan.
You like talking to mommy? Hi, little guy. Hi. Yeah? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Come on, Daddy, come on. Come on, Daddy. Come on.
Saan tayo ngayon pupunta?
Sa mall.
Hi, Kuya. Where are we going?
At the mall.
What are we going to do in the mall?
Buy some toys.
And?
Buy some toys.
And play toys.
And what else?
How about shoes?
What was I just gonna buy you shoes, right? Ang ganda. Going. Si Nawowa ay mag-u-Uber lang.
Uber lang
Kasi
sila.
ayaw niya mag-drive using her car.
Saka,
Medyo malayo.
hindi kami kasya dito.
Dalawa na kasi yung car seat. So,
Wala lang space.
like, ako, kasi ako dun sa gitna. Talaga nakaganon ako.
Ano lang to? Pang small family lang. Hirap ipilit.
At hindi kami bibili ng new car dahil mahal.
Wala pa sa plano ang new car. Maganda talaga ang minivan. Maganda ng minivan para sa lalo pag may maliit na bata.
Yeah.
At the light, turn left onto Danforth Avenue.
Yes? Okay. Can you say good morning? Say here. Good morning, guys. Or your favorite one. Good morning, dude. Ito yung aming ginagamit na Lucen. Binili pa namin to sa Lucena. Ano, Daddy?
Oo, sa Lucena.
Kasi ang tagal kong di ginamit.
Tagal na yan. Ano bang year pa binili yan? Ngayon lang ulit nahalongkat. Ang bango.
Yeah.
DDM scent. Shoutout sa'yo.
Baka naman.
Shoutout sa'yo. Baka naman. Isang bata. Skittles.
Parents. Naiyak na, baby.
Yan na. Birkenstock. Kate Spade. Wow. At maganda nandito. Hindi na nga.
Hello. Yala naman. Ha? Starbucks. Elevator?
Second floor pala.
What are you doing, Kuya? What are you riding? A car? Niningil na. Alam mo may anak yung dalawa eh, oh. Aba, para kayo may anak. Para nga daw naman eh. Sa bahay. Kasi sa di kami umalis na sabi ni Dos
Look at the town. Like here. Going here, going here.
Yeah. Thanks.
Order kung margarita.
Excuse me. Yeah. Can we follow up with the margarita?
Yeah, sure. Let me just check the bar.
Thank you. Teka. Saan ba? Ganda.
What do you want to eat when we get home? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
Kailangan niyo ako.
You want to eat?
Oh, play your toys, baby. Kuya, you like your toys?
He opened.
Which one is your favorite, Buzz or Woody? Like Buzz.
Oh no, just like Andy. Yan, so ito, nag-air fry tayo ng mackerel. Yarn. Then, nagluluto tayo ng munggo. Then, itong baby ito, iyak ng iyak. Tapos lang mag-cook. Pero hindi pa tapos ang fish. So baby, ito ay need na daw magdudu. So we gotta prepare him for a dudu. Magluluto tayo ng banana chocolate loaf. Hindi tayo ng pan sa Amazon. Made in the USA. Pati plastic di mo penetrate. Sabay kain. Okay, tapos na. Let rest lang for 15 to 20 minutes. Tapos kakat na natin. Baon namin ito pupuntang park.
Yun. Sarap. Barandal-dal. Barandal-dal.
Up here, up here, up here, here, up here, up here, up here, up here, up here, up here.
Outfit check. Gift sa akin ni Daddy Will. It's from Coach. Actually, kala nyo lang kung di kay bag, pero alam mo nito ay diaper kalungan. And this is a sport. Yes, baby. What's this?
Jack.
Hi! Hi! Say hi! Okay, let's go. Tara tayo sa car kasi nandito na si Daddy Will. Let's go, kuya! Let's go na! Let's go! You're not coming with mommy? Come on, kuya! Where are you?
Here.
Where are we going?
There's a park. It's Daddy.
Is that Daddy?
Yeah. Daddy. Hello. Donald. Mom says your mom lights on.
Can you feel the love tonight? Oh, wait for Daddy.
Look down there, all the way down.
Yeah. Let's wait for Daddy.
Yes, look. That's what the Daddy come out. Daddy! Daddy!
Kuya, dos muna. Come here. Come here. Sit down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Daddy, close the door, ha?
Okay.
Just can't close it.
So yan. Usually, ganito ginagawa namin. Ganito palagi yung diskarte. So, si Kuya Dos muna. Kinukuha ko na siya. Pagkatapos ni Kuya Dos makapupo sa car seat, si Baby Terence naman. So, si Mami na ang naglalagay sa kanya sa car seat.
Yes, kuya?
Go guys!
Are we going to order?
Oh! Order na muna, go!
Yeah.
Sige, order ka na muna.
Hindi, sa phone.
No, that's the water park.
So,
No,
tuwing day off, tinatry namin na pumunta palagi ng park. Siyempre para sa mga bata.
no.
Para kay Dos.
The water park.
You're going to the water park? Yes, you're going to the
Yeah,
water
we're going.
But first, Mommy and Dad is going to pick some coffee, okay? It's okay?
Me too.
You too, you can drink coffee. Papakita namin sa inyo yung struggles namin dito, yung reality check. Reality check ng small family namin na 2 kids. So, isang magti 3 years old at isang 2 months na baby. So, Maririnig nyo naman, di ba? May toddler talaga. Every time na nagsasalita. Nandun na siya sa ganung era, yung very talkative na. So, masaya na siya, masaya. Nakikita.
Baby.
What are you saying?
Daddy,
Daddy and Mommy are vlogging.
no, don't put some coffee.
Don't pick up some coffee? Why? But we want. What?
I want to see ducks in the
You wanna see ducks on the lake? Okay. We're going to pick up some French fries at Popeyes.
Yeah.
Okay?
You want that?
Yeah,
So you have to wait.
I don't know if it was.
And then we'll go to the water park after. Okay? Okay, Kuya? You understand? Say, I understand, Mommy.
Hi, we can make a read today.
Hi, I'm picking up for Wilson.
We got you. See you at the window.
Thank you.
See ya.
Thank you. You too.
Hey. Matcha and mocha. Let's go. Not yet.
It's a red light with a stop sign.
At dito tayo pumasok sa kabila.
Oo, doon kami pumasok.
Dead end. Residential pa rin.
Mali pala.
Underrated tong park na to. Ang ganda na natin.
Ganda. So, daming puno. Presko talaga.
Ang daming court.
Dami siyang
For
pang
different
activity.
sports.
Ba't diba? Track and field. May pang softball.
Oh,
Soccer.
we're almost there, baby.
Basketball.
May pickleball na nga eh.
Oo, may tennis din.
Ayun,
Oh, I think it's not yet. Oh, no.
No, it's under construction, baby. Look.
Yeah.
It's under construction. Oh no.
The water park is not
The
yet
water park is not
available.
open.
It's not open, Kuya Boss.
Are you sad, Kuya? The water park is closed.
But the playground is open.
Yeah. You wanna play?
Yeah, of course. He wants that. You watch where you're going, okay?
Daddy won! Daddy won! Daddy won!
Ganda oh.
Daddy won!
Ganda mo.
Mommy,
Yeah.
mommy, step away.
Oh no. Slowly, huh? Slowly.
Mom, look up there.
It's downhill.
I found
The water park closed. It's supposed to be that spot. They must have closed it for renovations, baby.
Mom.
Yes, what do you want?
More project.
Baby?
Nagutom mo, baby.
Ay, isang yung parang gutom na din.
Excited na kami na makita yung dalawang bata naglalaro.
Not open yet.
Good morning, hello, brand new day. Put your little slippers on, let's go out and play. Good morning, birds begin to sing. Waking up, filling up with joy and everything.
Yan, Terrence time naman. always wish na magkaroon siya ng friend, but very much observant lang siya these days.
Daddy, help me.
Go jump, jump. You can do it.
Daddy, hold your hand. Daddy, go here.
Where?
Here, Daddy, here.
Go there. Daddy will. Mm.
Daddy, go here. Daddy, let's go here. That's a spider web.
Is that a spider web?
Yeah.
Can you climb on the web?
Daddy. Go. Here.
Hindi pala maganda magbigay ng food sa squirrel.
Nagpita kami humingi ng fries. So, before matapos yung araw, nakahanap naman siya ng playmate.
5 minutes na lang, tapos na ang duto tayo. Pauwi na rin kami.
Sulit na naman ang day off.
Bata, oh.
Si Kuya Dos nag-enjoy, nakahanap ng playmate. Yun naman talaga yung reason bakit kami pumupunta ng park. Para magkameron siya ng friend. Para makatakbo talaga siya kasi gusto niya talagang makulit siya na, di ba?
Hindi
Sobrang
na
niya
makontain yung energy sa bahay.
Etong park, ang lawak ng playground. Talagang takbo lang siya ng takbo. So nag-enjoy siya.
Nakalas na.
Good morning, hello, brand new day. Put your little slippers on, let's go out and play. Good morning, birds begin to sing. Waking up, filling up with joy and everything.
See you again, friend.
Come on.
Now you play here. Come on. Still have a lot of energy? Still want to run?
It's getting cold, baby. Watch where you're going. Wala, ganda-gandahan lang. Yeah, you gotta wait for me.
Okay, so you're going to say to Papa Jesus.
Baby.
Thank you for baby. Thank you for baby Taras because he is with you in the park. Right? Nap time si Kuya Dos. Grabe. Ang bilis ng panahon. Nasa gantong stage na siya ngayon. Katabi niya si Woody and Buzz. So, hindi siya pumayag na mag-sleep nang hindi sila katabi. Sobrang cute. Where are you? At the park? With who? With mommy and daddy? What are we going to do?
Come on! Come on, Daddy, come on! Come on!
What do you want to do to daddy?
Hi.
Hide! Go hide daddy. Put the blanket on daddy. Go!
No, you're there, Daddy. You're there.
What?
You do. You do it now.
You want me to do it?
Almost a decade na ako dito sa US, pero sa totoo lang, second haircut ko pa lang to dito. Getting a haircut. This is my hair. Ang sabi ko dun sa magugupit, yung nung kay Angelica Panganiban. But hindi siya ganun. Taglaban siya, hindi daw yung layered yun. Hindi daw siya layered bob. Kaya lang daw siya tumikos na ganun kasi gawa ng pagbo-blow dry. So ito lang yung, in-stylean ko lang siya ng curl sa ilalim. But may curtain bangs, tapos may iksing gupit lang siya. Yarn.
Going to give me a haircut.
Yeah, Daddy is preparing the cover.
If you don't behave, you're gonna be bald. You wanna be bald?
Careful. Oh, behave na, behave na. See?
See? Very good. Pula this one.
Oh, don't move. Let Daddy do his thing and then you watch the movie. Hindi umubra ang styling.
Di marunong.
Yung first time.
Natin sa number 6. Ibabaw.
Pogi, oh. I just cooked some salmon. Baked salmon tapos mga gulay. I've been using the oven frequently these days. Kasi nalaman kong gumagana nga pala siya. And the kids are over here. Look at the kalat. Look at that kalat. Ang salarin! Kuya! Hi! Hi, Terence! You hungry? Lagyan natin sa fridge. I just finished pumping 110. Usually, I get 100 in the morning. Tapos, finitis ko siya. So, ito na yung aking stash. Yun na yung aking lip lock.
I got bubble gum.
Say.
I got bubble gum.
I got bubble gum.
I got bubble gum.
You happy?
Yeah.
Ah, Titi.
Daddy can't see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye vlog.
Bye bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.